Hello my YouTube friends, I hope you guys are doing great. So today I am back with another interesting video. This video is especially for all the beginners who wants to do clay art or clay painting. In this video I am going to show you guys a 3D floral painting with calla lilies. So let's get started. For this we need a canvas, acrylic colors, Here I am adding more white and applying it on the lower part of the canvas. Let's take some green color now. To give a nice effect, I am just applying this green on the canvas. Now taking the white color and mixing it with green. Now the background is ready, let it dry for some time. Till then let's make the flowers and leaves. To make the calla lilies, I am just making a ball with the clay and making a leaf shape with it. Now folding it from both the ends. Here adding some more details. We can easily make this beautiful flower by using a leaf shape. Flowers and leaves are ready now. Let's dry them for some time. Now I am taking my white and pink color and mixing them together. Let's paint the leaves now. Now it's time for the leaves. Here I am taking dark green and chrome yellow and mixing them together. Let's add some details with pink color. Giving some details with green color also. Now I am making yellow highlights on the leaves. After painting the flowers and leaves, let them dry for few minutes. Till then, let's make some stems on the canvas. And now let's paste them with a Fevicol. After pasting the flowers and leaves, let's do some splatter effect. I am using white and pink color to do this effect, and it's ready. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.